This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Wisnant. Spacious 3-bedroom 2.5-bath brick and vinyl 2-story home in Crocker Ridge subdivision in Kings Mountain. The home is built with an open floor plan. Main level features living room, dining room, family room, kitchen, laundry room, and half bath. The dining room has a tray ceiling. The family room has a brick fireplace with gas logs. The kitchen has stainless appliances, breakfast bar, breakfast area, and a walk-in pantry. The laundry room is large and has overhead cabinets for storage. Upper level features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a bonus room. The primary bedroom has a vaulted ceiling. The primary bath has a long double vanity, large soaking tub, walk-in shower, water closet, and walk-in closet. Bedroom 2 has a walk-in closet. The bonus room is large. The home has a covered front porch, a rear deck, and an attached double garage. Convenient location. This home is a must-see. For more information,